Hey, it's Rachel with WTI. You need to try out this micellar water because it will remove your makeup so easily.
I love this micellar water. I feel like it does a great job removing my mascara. Here I have waterproof mascara on, and all I'm doing is pressing it into my skin or into my eyelashes, and you can see how easily it comes off. It doesn't leave my skin feeling dry. It's not irritating. There isn't like a strong smell or anything like that. It just does a great job of removing any dirt, makeup, and it leaves me ready to be able to do my skin prep with a nice clean face. I'll just add a few drops to a cotton pad, and then as you can see here, I'm just running it over my skin and my eyelashes, and it just does a really good job of cleaning. I absolutely love it. I like that it doesn't have a strong smell either.
If you're looking for a way to clean your skin, remove your makeup, and also soothe your skin, try out this micellar water. It works so well. I'm super impressed, and that's my point of view.